Hello guys and welcome to Easy English with Sneha. This is a demo class and this is basically for the beginners who have just joined to my channel, and this is just a gist about what we teach in this Easy English with Sneha. So guys, today's video is all about a very important word, especially for the travelers. For the travelers who travel and go stay out in a hotel, they face so much problem. Actually, they face many problems regarding their living. So today we will discuss about that word. The word is lodging. Lodging has so many parts. We will discuss each of them in a very quick way. Let's start. Guys, lodging is a verb and the meaning of lodging is to stay in a rented room. It has another meaning in the form of noun. In the form of noun, the meaning of the word lodge is the room where somebody can stay and that person has to pay the rent. Okay, so these two words are interrelated. And now guys, when you travel and go out and stay in a hotel or a lodge, there are some terms used which are very different from the basic ones, and one of these terms are, these are the parts of your living. Guys, you go in a hotel and you stay in a hotel room. Likewise, you also use some other facilities in the hotel. These other facilities are the restrooms. Now, the meaning of the restroom is a very different in North America and in British English. We'll discuss both. In North America, the meaning of the restroom is known as a toilet. Yes. The meaning of the restroom in North America is toilet. It's a public toilet, what you use in a hotel or any lodge. And in British English, the meaning is the place or the room where somebody can stay and have rest. So did you guys notice that what is the biggest difference in these two meanings of the word restroom? These two meanings in North America and British English are totally different for one word, the restroom. This is what I want to discuss with you guys. To have a good command over vocabulary is very important when you want to be fluent in English speaking and also be fluent in English language. You have to understand this language. And here in Easy English with Sneha, I am here to just aware you about the basic knowledge of vocabulary. Guys, vocabulary which we are doing is a very standard vocabulary. And what is the standard vocabulary? Standard vocabulary is something in which one word has multiple meanings. Okay. So guys, this was just a demo class for the new viewers. Guys, अगर आपको और भी इसी तरीके की नॉलेज चाहिए, अगर आपने vocabulary को स्ट्रॉन्ग करना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, Easy English with Sneha. इसे लाइक और शेयर करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow.